Golden Hawk Productions. My adventures lead me to a hidden river view again. Yo, like, this is great. Been trying to make videos like this where I just find beautiful nature, stuff like that. Like, just look at it. Just running the trail. Ran about 4 miles so far. Now I have to run like 4 miles back, so I'm gonna get a deep breath. Feel my body. That's what life's about. Feel your body, feel your spiritual health. Thank God for all your blessings. I mean, come on, check this out. I didn't even know this was here. This riverfront view. Come on, I didn't even know this was here. Beautiful riverfront view. I think we're close to, where we at? Like Dickerson Run, PA? I don't even know. Close to there. Beautiful, beautiful. Hear the birds for a minute. Come on now. Hear the birds. The condensation falling off the leaves. Because the seasons are changing now. We're in fall. There's a lot of condensation. You can literally hear it falling off the leaves out here. Where can you hear that in the city? Well, most parts of the city. Come on, get out in nature, get out in the country. This is life. This is life in Christ. He'll lead you exactly to where you need to be. Romans 8:28. For God makes all things work out for those who love him and are called according to his purpose. Love y'all, much love. Take care.